Okay, so I think I want to do like pinky blue vibes, maybe. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna apologize in advance for any like weird lighting, bad video quality or whatever, because I am not in my normal setup, as you can see. So we're just kind of improvising here, so we're just gonna go with it. But anyways, today's video I'm so excited about. We're gonna be trying Kesha Rose Beauty. So this is Kesha's new makeup line, and I got the palette from it. I've been kind of over celebrities using their platforms to just kind of throw in a makeup brand. Like, I don't know, a lot of celebrities have just been capitalizing off the fact that beauty is really, really booming right now and just kind of creating a brand. But this one actually seems like she put a lot of thought into it and it just makes sense. Like when you see the colors of the palette, they just like make sense that this is what Kesha's palette would look like. So let's try Kesha Rose Beauty, but first I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun over here on my channel with makeup and beauty and fashion and everything. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get on with this Kesha Rose Beauty review. Okay, so I love the packaging of this palette. It's really unique and original. I love the color scheme. I love this little dangly bit. I think it's really cute and really different. On the back it says, "Beauty is who you are. It's not perfection. Perfect is boring. You are beauty. This palette was made for you to play and enhance your natural beauty by capturing colors I've found in nature, in the stars, and in the earth. We are all a part of the same energy. I hope this brings you joy and inspires you to get weird." So that's very like on brand for Kesha, and I really, really love it. And the inside is so pretty, guys. I really, really like this color scheme. It's so different than anything we've ever seen before. I dig it so hard. All the names are named after songs of hers. It's just so pretty. It's even prettier in person. There are mattes and shimmers and glitters. It's just awesome. I just really like it already just by looking at it. So yeah, I want to just dive right in, honestly. I don't know what look I want to do, but we'll make it up as we go, as we normally do. And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so I think I want to do like pinky blue vibes, maybe. Okay, so first I think I'm gonna go into this really like baby pinky lavender shade called Pageantry, right there, and put that in the crease. And I already primed my eyelids with a MAC Paint Pot. This shade isn't the most pigmented thing I've ever seen, but it's actually building up really nicely, and I just really, really like this color. This palette has so many cool and unique shades in it. I just think you can make so many different looks. It really makes me want to be creative, which, as you guys know, is kind of what I look for in a palette now. Like, now that my collection is kind of built up with all the basic ones that I need, I really look for those palettes that are just unique and have different color schemes. Okay, so now I'm going to deepen the crease with this shade called Backstabber, a pretty like burgundy color. Woo. And that one is a lot more pigmented than that last one, as you can see. Those colors are really pretty together though. Okay, now that I've packed that on a little bit, I'm gonna go back into that original pinky shade and blend it out a little more. Okay, I'm really loving that color combo so far. And now, on the lid, I'm gonna take Woman, this really pretty, like, I don't know, lilac-y purple pink shade. I'm gonna take that with the finger and just smear it on the lid. That color is really, really pretty and really pigmented. I like that one a lot. Oh my god, look how cute that is! That's very like Valentine's Day. Cute. I really like that woman shade. And then I'm gonna take a detail brush to kind of get that shade more in that inner corner. Okay, I am getting some fallout from, I don't know what shade it is, but one of those shades. But I'm just sweeping it off. It's not a big deal. I don't mind fallout at all, but if you do, that's just something to take note of. I think I'm gonna go back in with that Backstabber shade, the like burgundy, and then deepen up the outer corner a little bit. I think there's a really good balance of matte and shimmer in here. I really dislike when there's too many shimmers in a palette and there's not enough mattes to like build up the look with. So I think she did a really awesome job of like curating the right amount of matte. The right amount of mattes to shimmers. And then you want to make sure to take a blender brush and blend out any harsh edges. I think that's so pretty, so like flirty and cute and romantic. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the bottom lash line and I'm gonna take that original pageantry color and kind of smear that all over the bottom first. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take the shade Blow, which is this really pretty shimmery blue, and take that on the same brush and smear that on the bottom lash line. And I wish I had a blue eyeliner with me to like really give it that oomph, but I don't, so. Ooh, mixing with that shade that I already put down, the pageantry shade, it's creating like a really pretty purpley blue, and I'm really into that. Guys, that is so pretty. I'm getting a little fallout from this shade too, but I'll wipe it away in a minute. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put on mascara and check back in with you guys. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I'm loving it. I think there are so many things that you can do with this palette. Things I haven't even thought of yet. Like, just think of the color combos you can do. This glitter is like incredible. I only used actually 4 shades, 4. I only used 4 shades for this look and it turned out so pretty. So just think of the things you could do with these. That red is like calling my name next. You could do a Christmassy look with this. Oof, like there's so many things you could do. I'm really just excited to play with this. So pretty. My look kind of goes with the packaging. I'm loving it. Guys, I really like this. I think it was only 34 bucks, which is kind of like mid-priced for an eyeshadow palette. Like, it's not drugstore, but it's not like Urban Decay, you know what I mean? So guys, I don't have anything bad to say about this. Like, maybe that first color wasn't so pigmented, but I mean, that's really it. Like, I still like the color. Really loving this. Honestly, I would check it out if I were you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna leave a poll right here or here, whether you would think about picking up this palette or not. I'm kind of interested in y'all's thoughts, so make sure to fill that out wherever it is. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and that's it from me. Stay on fleek, friends. Bye.